we're back and we're talking about food and beverage. In the past couple years, our relationship, especially in licensing, has changed. We've seen the boom of breakfast as we've stayed home during the pandemic and trying new snacks and comfort foods in times of uncertainty. Not only does it have to do with food and licensing, but we've seen more of those collaborations when it comes to clothes, kitchenware, and lifestyle as well.
Food and beverage has really taken off for BLE in the last few years. There's a few agencies with brands, food and beverages brands, and I think that really helps because it brings the people that are interested in food and beverages brands to the show. We've had Tesco and Asda and Morrison's. We're able to talk to their non-food buying teams about our food brands, and that wouldn't be open to us in the same way, just doing it from an office.
Consumers today look for credible and trusted brands, and here is where food and beverage brands have the huge opportunity to team up together. We have seen great and unique projects launched and co-branding and partnerships.
Big change in the way that the food licensing has actually evolved over the last couple of years or so, but I think there's been a real upsurge in the way in which food and beverage has actually gone further into the market. There have been more brand extensions, and you can see that food as a brand and as a whole kind of licensing genre, if you like, has become a lot more relevant to people.